Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Photosynthesis questions can be tricky, but we can solve this one fast. Let's analyze how DCMU impacts electron transport in this specific experiment right now. First, remember that DCPIP acts as an electron acceptor that turns clear when reduced. In tube 2, the light reaction proceeds normally, allowing electrons to flow and change the dye color. Next, look at the data for tube 4 where DCMU is added. The absorbance stays high, meaning the DCPIP is not being reduced because the electron flow has been stopped completely. Since electrons do not reach the dye, DCMU must block the transport chain. This makes option D the only logical choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sophie. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given data and check your steps carefully.